Hello there, it's Avinam Nirala. I'm back here with my new video. Guys, let me clarify to you that only the first day of the upcoming phase of PSL 5 is going to be a double header. So now it's time for me to preview the second match of the day, which is also the eliminator of PSL 5. By the way, the winner of this match will go on to face the loser of qualifier 1 for that one significant spot at the finale, whereas the loser will get knocked out of the tournament. The former champions Peshawar Zalmi are going to take on the exciting Lahore Qalandars in this particular matchup. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 14th of November 2020, the National Stadium Karachi is scheduled to host this clash. As mentioned in my penultimate video, this venue is quite famous for hosting a lot of matches involving 150 to 170 runs. As usual, expect Karachi's pitch to have just a tinge of grass in the presence of a lot of moisture, so expect pacers to extract something out of this surface in the first power play only. The pitch is expected to be helpful for the spinners and also the batsmen after the completion of first 6 overs, since the pitch that's going to be used in this particular matchup is expected to be a used one. The pitch might just assist spinners more and more as the match proceeds on. Batting under artificial lights is comparatively easier than batting under natural lights in Pakistan, so expect the toss winning side to opt to field first. Peshawar Zalmi, Imam ul Haq, Kamran Akmal wicket keeper, Haider Ali, Faf du Plessis, Shoaib Maqsood, Shoaib Malik, Carlos Brathwaite, Mohammad Mohsin, Hassan Ali, Wahab Riaz captain and Rahat Ali. Unfortunately, Peshawar Zalmi's captain Darren Sammy is going to miss this match due to some flight issues. So that brings out the induction of only 2 foreigners in this side. Just imagine how good are this side's local players in the absence of Livingston. Expect that adjustable opening duo comprised of Imam's patience and Kamran's power hitting prowess to provide PG a healthy start in this matchup. To continue, Pakistan's new rising star Haider Ali is expected to showcase a free-flowing batting showpiece. At 4, 5 and 6, PG possess 3 very experienced players who have that capability of performing dual roles. Their roles shall differ with situation. West Indies' star all-rounder Brathwaite is expected to finish the innings for PG alongside a bit of Wahab, Mohsin and Hassan in the bowling department. Expect Rahat and Hassan to take the charge with the new ball, whereas the likes of Mohsin, Wahab and Brathwaite to bowl with the old ball. Shakib Mahmood might replace either Hassan or Rahat if any of them aren't fit. Well, Mohsin versus Yasir, who shall play? Lahore Qalandars, Fakhar Zaman, Tamim Iqbal, Sohail Akhtar captain, Mohammad Hafiz, Ben Dunk wicketkeeper, Samit Patel, David Visa, Shaheen Shah Afridi, Farzan Raza, Haris Rauf and Dilbar Hussain. They can afford to go with a full pace attack, but is that decision good enough in Pakistani pitches? Not really sure, guys, so expect one of their talent hunt players Farzan Raza to be preferred over Pakistani international Usman Khan Sinwari. This side is closely attached to all PSL lovers' emotions. I'm sure that most PSL lovers would finally want to see this side lift that trophy this time around. Guys, let me tell you, they have given themselves a fairly good chance during this playoffs phase. It all depends upon their 3 batters, Zaman, Hafiz and Dunk. All 3 of them were absolutely majestic in the latter stages of the group stages. They need to continue from where they left if LQ are to move ahead. With Iqbal in the lineup, expect that flamboyant duo of Fakhar and Iqbal to open and provide a healthy platform for the likes of Akhtar, Hafiz and Dunk to capitalize. Samit Patel as a floater shall assist Visa with a bit of teeing off in the end. They arguably possess the fast bowlers of the tournament. Expect Rauf and Afridi to open the attack, whereas Visa, Hussain and Raza to follow up. PG comparatively possesses a better side, and that momentum of Lahore has also been broken big time courtesy the long pause. LQ's star batsmen Fakhar and Dunk also aren't in such a good nick at the moment. Plus, they don't have Lin in their arsenal as well. Things aren't looking that good for Lahore Qalandars as of now. So, it looks as though the Zalmis are going to run away with this matchup. Take care.